The stock of the day today is definitely HAL, and we have Anushi joining in with more details as to what's happening with the company and why is the stock seeing an up move of almost 4% in trade today. Anushi?
Well, thanks for that, Mahima. It's a big development that we are seeing for Hindustan Aeronautics, which is why the stock is in focus. And this is one of the biggest overhangs of the company, which was discussed in the past as well, which is the GE Aerospace supply issues in the past that we have been seeing. Now, GE Aerospace delivers first of its F404I-20 engines, which was something that the company was looking forward to. Important in terms of the execution from the order book, which is there, and the earning estimate projections for various of these brokerages have put out there. So these deliveries that we are seeing is for the Tejas light combat aircraft jet, and company had ordered additional 91 engines in 2021 for this Tejas fight jet that we are looking at. So what had happened essentially, let's discuss this role of GE Aerospace more in detail. So if we had seen that the F404 especially designed for India's Tejas, and the production line was shut down in 2016. Post there were no demand concerns or demand orders as such, but in 2021 HAL had placed an additional order of 99 of such engines for the Tejas Mk-1A LCA flight that we are looking at in 2021. But the delay in supply of these engines had was an overhang for the company. The expectation was the first delivery to happen in Feb 2024 onwards, but since there had been delay on 2 to 3 occasions as we had seen in the past. So now the delivery expectation is for FY26 as compared to what it was in FY24 earlier. Do note that the LCA, that's a light combat aircraft Mk-1A that we are looking at, accounts for almost 49% of the mix of the HAL's current order book, which is there. The last order book value that we have, which is around the size of 94,000 crore. So it's a significant development that we are seeing now. The supply chain concern, which was an overhang for the company, that has started to ease out. So what we are seeing is now also a brokerage note. This is from Antique, and they have maintained a buy call with a target price of 4,887, remaining bullish on the prospects of this development which has took place. Now the company expects to execute 83 aircraft order that HAL has received from IAF, and estimate execution of 8 to 10 aircraft for FY26 to 27 period. What Antiques believes is consistent delivery of 2 engines per month from GE, something that we should be watching out for, and will help Hindustan Aeronautics to achieve its delivery schedule of 16 aircraft to IAF. This could lead to an upside in terms of where the earnings estimates are concerned for FY26 to 27 as well, and execution in terms of order book is also something that we should be watching out for Hindustan Aeronautics. So that's why the stock is in focus. We are looking at a considerable upside to the stock price today.
Right, Anushi, thank you so much for breaking that down for us in such a detailed manner. Shivangi, I'll come to you. In the past 6 months, the stock is down by about 5%, but in the past 1 month, it's gained over 28%. What are the charts indicating? Is the momentum back in something like an HAL?
The momentum has been seen back from the last 2 weeks, and we've seen that good amount of long build-up can be seen after the short covering move last week. So definitely follow-up is quite strong here. Now, there has been a sector tailwind which has also been, played out well, and we are in fact looking at next 4,300 odd levels for HAL. Of course, there is in support of 4,100 to watch out for the quick, short-term trade.
And what about the larger defense pack, Shivangi?